Now paper number 43, Ssc Cgl Tier 1. Now in this question number 1, now it is based on number series. Now tell me what is the logic we have. 132 and 140 means the difference is how much? 8. Now 22 and 32, 132 it is into 6. Plus 8 into 6. And here it must be plus 4 into 2. 9 into 2, 18. 18 plus 4, 22. Into 2 plus 4 into 6 plus 8 and so on. And the missing number is 18, choice 3, question number 1. Then coming to question number 2. Now the word is black. B-L-A-C-K, black. And the code is MLDCB. ML, D, C and B. Then, and in the same way. Then what is the, and how is this stone written as? Mojapan, what is your answer here? Now if you observe here first, now B and now C. First, if you observe here, all the letters are in the descending order, isn't it? As they are in the descending order here, and first we need to arrange all these letters in the ascending order. Now if you arrange these letters in the ascending order, A, B, C, K, L. Now A's next letter is B, B's next letter is C, C plus 1, K plus 1, L plus 1. First all the letters are arranged in the alphabetical order. Then to each of these letters, one letter is written in the reverse order. And again to this word stone, then tell me what are the letters we have? E, O, N, S and T. Now to each of these one letter should be added. E plus 1 is F, and O plus 1 is P, N plus O, S plus 1, T plus 1. And U, T, O, P, F. Now U, T, O, P, F, and it is given in motion answer. U, T, P, O, F. Now E plus 1, O plus 1, N, O, S, T. Now here, N and O is the order. Avuna kada? Ma alphabetical order emostundi E, N, O, S, T. Now E plus 1, N plus 1 is O. And next one, and this is P. U, T, P, O, F. Choice 1, question number 2. Then next coming to question number 3. In a certain code language, then how will many are intelligent be written in that language? Many are intelligent. Now in this one, many are intelligent. Any answer to this one? Now if you observe here, many are good. Now many are good. And here R is the word that is given at the center. Now here which code is at the center here? NTUK. Hence we need to find out the code for each and everything. And many and R. Many and R, what is the code here? Now R is common between these two. And the code for R is TUK or NOS? TUK. The code for R is TUK. And next one, what is the code to the word many then? Many emawal. Now where is many here? And people are strong. Many and are. And good are intelligent. Next one, and people are strong. Then what is the code for this one? Many ki man code emostundi cheppandi. R. Now many are good. Now we have many and are. Ikkada kuda many and are. Now good are intelligent. Good is the word that is common here. As good is common, what is the code that is common? NOS. Now good is NOS and many and are. Many and are TUK, POS in any order. Ante kada? TUK and POS in any order. Then next one, now we have left with intelligent. Now intelligent ekkada undu cheppandi? Good are. And R is the word that is common. And what is the code that is common between these two? And SCN and BAS. Now people are strong and good are intelligent. Now in this one, tell me what is the code that is common here? మరి రెండిట్లో కామన్ ఏముంది? R. R is common. ఇవి ఒక లైన్లో లేవు ఇవి. Learn. Now many are good. And first, now we need to find out many are intelligent. Now many are intelligent లో many and are రెండు వర్డ్స్ కామన్ ఉన్నాయి కదా. అండ్ ఇక్కడ ఏమేం కామన్ ఉన్నాయి? many and are ఎక్కడ కామన్ ఉన్నాయి ఇక్కడ? అండ్ ఇక్కడ మనకి గుడ్ అయితే కామన్ ఉంది. మనకి రెండిట్లో గుడ్ కామన్ ఉంది కాబట్టి కోడ్ ఏం కామన్ ఉంది చెప్పండి. మా కోడ్ ఏది కామన్ ఉంది ఇక్కడ? NOS or TUK? Now TUK ఉంది, NOS ఉంది. అవునా కదా? ఈ రెండు మనకు కోడ్ కామన్ ఉంది. మిగిలిపోయింది ఏమొస్తుంది? పిఓఎస్. నా పిఓఎస్ దేనికి కోడ్? దేనికి కోడ్? మెనీకి కోడ్. నా మెనీకి కోడ్ అయితే మనకి మెనీ అండ్ ఆర్, అండ్ మెనీ అండ్ ఆర్ పిఓఎస్. ఆర్కి కోడ్ ఏమొస్తుంది? ఎన్ఓఎస్. నా పిఓఎస్ అండ్ ఎన్ఓఎస్, పిఓఎస్ అండ్ ఎన్ఓఎస్ మనకి ఎక్కడ ఉంది? మనకి నో చాయిస్ 3 is the answer, question number 3. The next one, fourth one. Now in this question number 4, candid. Now CANDID. Now the code given to the word candid is 6-28. Now 6-28, 8, 18 and 8. Now in this one, to each of these letters the letter is double. Now C value anta 3 into 2, 6. A is 1 into 2. N is 14 into 2 and so on. Then similarly honest. Honest 8 into 2, 16. And this is 30, 28, 10, 38 and T is 40. Now 16, 30, 28. 16, 30, 28 choice for question number 4. Then coming to this question number 5. Now which two signs should be interchanged? Now we need to interchange the signs of these two. Then minus and division. Now can you interchange these two, minus and division here? Then by doing so. And 12 plus 90 and 38. And 12 plus 38 minus ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, and this is into minus and division. 24 divided by 4 is how much? 6. And minus 6 రావాలి. 38 plus 6 it is 44. Are you getting the answer or not? Choice 1, question number 5. Then coming to question number 6. మా 6 one చెప్పండి. Now 22 plus 20 is how much? 42. 42 into 2 is 84. And 9 plus 4, 13. 13 into how much? 5. ఇక్కడ 5 ఎందుకు? ఇక్కడేమో మనకి ఇంటూ 2 చేసాం, ఇక్కడేమో 5. The difference between these two numbers. What is the difference we have? And the difference is and 2. And similarly 17 and 18. Or else, not 22 square and 484 kada. And 20 square is how much? 400. Now the difference is how much? 84. That is, ఇంతకుముందు ఏం చేసాం? Product చేసి next then we subtracted the difference. Multiplied with the difference, that is nothing but a square minus b square. And similarly here 9 square 81 minus 16. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? And 17 square 289 minus 64. And what is your answer here? 528 minus 6 is so much? And that is 22. Now 225, choice 2, question number 6. The next one, 7th one. Now there are 28 persons present at a press conference. And after the conference, they all shook hands with each other. As they have shook hands with each other, then, and if 7 of them refuse to shake hands, then how many shake hands will be there all together? మా మొత్తం ఎన్ని ఉంటాయి చెప్పండి? మా ఎలా చేస్తున్నారు? Now 28 persons were there, and 28, and it is a combination of what? Combination of two persons. And it is 28 into how much? 28 into 28, see? Now 28, and next one 28 into 27 divided by 2. How many times it goes? 27 into 14. Yes, what is 27 into 14? 7 of them refuse to shake hands. Now 7 of them refuse to shake hands. That means how many of them? 20 persons. Then 20 persons were there. Then 20 into 19 is how much? 380. And 380 divided by. Now total how many persons are there? 28 persons were there. And out of which 7 of them. Now 28 minus 7 is how much? 21. Now 21 into how much? 20. And divided by 2 is how much? 10. Now 21 into 10, 210. Clear? Because I am shaking hand with you, and which in turn you are also shaking hand with me. And that is the reason we are dividing this by 2. Then 21 into 20 by 2. The next one, coming to question number 8. Now in this question number 8, B and Z. What is the difference between B and Z here? B and Z, the difference is minus 2. And Z and X, minus 2. X minus 2 is what? V. V minus 2 and so on. And so first letter it is minus 2. Now with the help of, now V as the first letter, that is given only in choice 1, question number 8. The 9th one, all female are thin. Now these are the female who are thin, all female are thin, and some female are innocent. Now some female are innocent, and some innocent are pretty. In the case of information, now in this one, no thin is innocent, Innocent and thin, no intersection between these two, that is false. Because some innocent or thin is true. And some innocent or thin and some innocent or thin is definitely true. And so only 2 follows, that is choice 3, question number 9. Then 10th one. Now how many friends were there? And there are some 5 friends. S, T, U, V and W, they are the top rankers of a school. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then the rank of W is just above the rank of T. And W is just above the rank of T. W and T must be together. And just below the rank of U. And so U, W and T must be together. Now V is the top ranker, V is here. And S is not the lowest ranker here. S is not the lowest ranker. And so U, W and T must be here, S must be here. And because these 3 persons must be together. Then who among the following secured the lowest? That is T, choice 3, 10th one. The next one coming to 11. No, 11th one. 22 and 324. Now this 324 can be written as 18 square. Then how will you get 18 with the help of 22? Minus 4. 22 minus 4 is 18, 18 square. And 32 minus 4 is how much? 28. 28 square, 784, that is choice 2. 11th one. Then coming to question number 12. Now the difference is how much? 0. Here it is 2. Next one is how much? Next one is 20. Or 32 and 32 we can divided by 1. Here it is a minus 2. Next one 30 divided by 3. Next one minus 4. And minus 4 is how much? 6. And next one and divided by 5. That is 1.2. Divided by 1 and minus 2 divided by 3 minus 4 divided by 5. The next one coming to question number 30, image. Now the code given to the word image is O-N-E-H-I. O-N-E-H-I. Now in this O-N-E-H-I, I and O. I is a vowel and the next vowel is O. Isn't it? A is a vowel, next vowel, E is a vowel, next vowel. That means for each of these vowels, next vowel and a consonant plus 1 plus 1. Either plus 1 plus 1 or you can take next consonant based on the choice. Then in this one, I, D, E, O, G, R, A, M. I, D, E, O, G, R, A, M. G, R, A, M. Then in this one, I, the next vowel to I is O, E is I, O is U, and A is E. And in the next one, D plus 1 is what? E. Now do we have E here? No. E. And next one, G plus 1 is H, R plus 1 is S, M plus 1 is N. O, E, I, U. And H, S, E, N. Choice 1, question number 13. The next one, 14th one. Now in this question number 14, 4 letter clusters have been given. Now S, J, B, and U. S, J, B, and U, what is the difference between S and J? Minus 9. And next one, J and B, minus 8. Now B and U, what is the value of B? Now B value in the second cycle of 28. 21 minus 7. Minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. And here again, now minus 9, minus 8, minus 7. And next one, Z and Q, what is the difference we have? Minus 9. And here it is minus 8, minus 7. And similarly we have, and A value is 27 and 18. 27 and 18, the difference is how much? Minus 9. R and J, now 18 minus 8. J and D, the difference is how much? 6 rather than 7. And so choice 4 is odd one, 14. Then 15th one, now we need to arrange all these in an English dictionary. Now in this English dictionary, which comes first here? G-R-A-N comes first. And G-R-A-N, that is 3 comes first. And after these 3, next one is what? G-R-A-P-E, 3, 2. And next 2, 3, 2. And next one is what? 5. Now 3, 2, 5, choice 2, question number 15. Then 16th one. Now in the 16, the difference between the letters is 5. And O and S 4. Now it is 3. 5, 4, 3, next one is 2. And V plus 2 is what? X. X choice 1, question number 16. Then 17th one. Now in the 17th, now which 2 elements we need to interchange now? Now 21 and 4. Now if you interchange 21 and 4, 4 is here 21. Are you getting 65? Now 12 divided by 36 is how much? 1 by 3. 9 by 3 is how much? 3. Now 3 plus 4, 7 minus 21, it is minus 14. Hence it cannot be an answer. Then 36 and 12. Now if you interchange these two, this is 36 and this is 12. Then here the 36 divided by 12 is how much? 3. 9 into 3, 27. 27 plus 24. And 48 minus 4, 65 ruled out. 9 and 36. Now this is 36 and this is 9. Then in this case 36 into 12 divided by how much? 9. 9 ones, 9 fours. Now 4 into 12, 48. And 48 and minus 4. 44 plus 21, 65. And it's a choice 3, question number 17. The next 18th one, pointing towards a man, Raju said. And he means that man. Man is the only son of my father-in-law. That means Raju's father-in-law's only son. Raju's father-in-law means Raju's father-in-law's only son. Now Raju's spouse's father. Now Raju is here. Father-in-law means Raju's wife and wife's father and wife's father's son. Now this son is the brother-in-law to this Raju. Spouse's brother. Brother-in-law, choice for 18. The next one coming to question number 19. Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Altogether we have some 16 elements, and so 4 into 4, 16. Now if you check out the first element here, S is here and V is here. The next element S, T, U and V. And so first letters are increased by plus 1 plus 1. S, T, U and V. Now S, T, U and V. Then what is the next one we have? S, T, U, V. S, T, U, V. And the next one. Now what is the first element we have? The first element is S. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here again 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Now Serpent F4. Now first one is missing out, it seems, right? Then coming to the first letter, S, T, U and V. Check out the first letters S, T, U and V, they are increased by 1. And next letter T is common in all this, isn't it? T, U, D. Now here also T, U, D, T, U, D and T, U, D. And S, T, U, D, T, T, U, D and so on. Then what is the missing element here? U, T, U, U, D. And U, T, U, U, D, choice 1, question number 19. The next one, 20th. A man started walking towards east after walking 15 kilometers. Now this is the starting point from here, and he walks 15 kilometers. Then turns towards his left hand side and walks for how many kilometers? 10 kilometers. And now he turns to his right and walks for 20 kilometers. Then finally turning towards south, he walks for how many meters? 10 kilometers. Now A is the starting point, B is the final. How far is he from the initial position? Now we need to find out the distance. Now 15 plus 20 is how much? 35. 35, choice 2, question number 20. Then 21st, now in this question number 21, now 6 letters were there. Now it is based on S cube. Now the cube is not printed properly here. Now we need to find out that is opposite to H. Now H and I are common, and here also H and I are common. Now must capital H and small h. Now capital H and small h were there. Then which is opposite to capital H? Now which is opposite to capital H? I, H and percentage. I, H and percentage, they were in the clockwise direction. I, H and percentage. Here I at the rate of an H. I at the rate of an H, they were in the clockwise. Now which two are opposite to each other? H and at the rate of are opposite. Then, and coming to question number 22. Now in this 22, now here the figure has been folded and that it has been and cut like this. Then we need to find out the figure that comes like this. Now this is a triangle. Now triangle, now when it is open, now from here to here we need to open like this. Now if you have open like this, now it comes under which image? Mirror image or the water image? Mirror image. Now mirror image, this symbol will be as it is. And next one, this is at the left hand side, then that must be at the right hand side. Now this element must be towards, isn't it? Not towards like this. And again this will be present somewhere here. Then what is your answer here? Choice 3, question number 22. Then 23, now select the option in which that is embedded. Now embedded figure we need to find out here. Now in this embedded, now tell me where can we find this embedded? Now this is a line we have. From here this is H, and next one, and this is the triangle we have for this. Answer choice 2, question number 23. Then 24th one. Now in this question number 24, we need to find out the number that is opposite to 1. Opposite to 1. Now if you observe here, now the second and the third figures. Now 3 is common between these two. And what are the elements that are common here? Adjacent side 5, 6, 2, 4. Hence to these 3 and 2, 4, 5, 6 cannot be adjacent. And 3 also cannot be adjacent to 3. And these 5 cannot be opposite. Then which is opposite to 3? 1. And so 1 and 3 are opposite, choice to question number 24. Then in this 25, now how many Indian police officers are graduates? Now here in this one, police officer is represented by a hexagon, and these are the police officers we have, and the pentagon stands for graduates, and the circle stands for females, and the square stands for Indians. Now this is what the information. Then how many Indian police officers are graduates? Indian police officers who are graduates but not female. But not females means the entire close this one, and we should not have this female at all. Then the common for the remaining 3 figures, and which is common? 11. 11, that is choice 1, question number 25. Clear? Now this is about paper number 43.